Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Ethernet connected but no internet access in Windows. Chapter 1. How to fix error Ethernet connected but no internet access using the troubleshooter. To start, on the search box enter troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. After that, in the Network and Internet section, you are going to click on Run. You can see the wizard that tells you the status of the network and possible solutions to use. Chapter 2. How to fix error Ethernet connected but no internet access using metered connections. To begin, click Start and tap Settings. Then select Network and Internet and click on Ethernet. Here you can turn on the switch, metered connection to manage data usage. Chapter 3. How to fix error Ethernet connected but no internet access adjusting DNS. To start, enter Network in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. Now right-click on the adapter and select Properties. After this, select Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties. After that, activate the box, use the following DNS server addresses and enter the IP you want. Click OK. When you do this, right-click on the adapter and choose Disable. Right-click again and this time select Enable. Chapter 4. How to fix error Ethernet connected but no internet access reestablishing the network. To get started, click on Start and click on Settings. Then select Network and Internet and click on Advanced Network Settings. After that, click on Network Reset and click on Reset Now. You must confirm this operation. Now you can close this window and restart the system to apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 5. How to fix error Ethernet connected but no internet access updating driver. To start, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. Here, under Network Adapters, right-click on the driver and select Update Driver. Now click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for it to finish. Chapter 6. How to fix error Ethernet connected but no internet access reinstalling driver. To start, right-click on Start and choose Device Manager. Here, under Network Adapters, right-click on the driver and select Uninstall Device. You must click on Uninstall and wait for the action to complete. After that, in the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. You can see that the network adapter is reset. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.